Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 1 month free trial on Skillshare. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and try Skillshare out for free, because if you don't, you're going to have to pay around $167 annually. Skillshare offers a ton of different classes, okay? And for its monthly membership, which is around like $13 to $15, I think 1 month free is more than enough time to give it a shot and try it out and see if Skillshare is right for you. So in order to get that 1 month free trial, all you've got to do is click on the link down below in the description. And once you've done so, you'll get 1 month Skillshare free. In addition to that, you'll also be able to check out my classes, which one of them being a Final Cut Pro X class. And so with my Final Pro X class, you'll be able to learn how to video edit if that's something that interests you. Besides from that though, it's pretty much a free 30-day trial. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.